I beg. As we come back, me, I never sleep. I went to work straight. And I know say some of you don't sleep. I never even rest. I beg everybody to the lounge. I don't want to talk again, man. I don't get issue with anybody. Everybody to the lounge, I beg.
Chizzy, sit down now. I'm ready for wager. I don't know about you guys.
I know, but you see, I want to tell you something. When I told them that we have a costume, Chizzy, can you hear me? But we have a costume, that singlet, and we can wear joggers, the purple joggers. You know, we already agreed. Then the other bralette, you know, check them. It will size her, to size Bella, but Bella no one wear. I said we go there all right. Anything she like, she go wear. Why does she want to wear something different? I just don't want to.
She wear now. If you want to do your report, do your report now.
Okay.
That's when you have your right.
This is her size.
When everybody have their right now, is when we want to report, I'll have my own right. Everybody has their right now. Una get right now. Una get right now, I swear. Una get right now.
It's her size. It's her size.
All of them top now. You can't resemble me.
See, Housemates. Now her size. She don't even wear one. She don't want to wear one. It's her size. I'm telling you that it's her size. She can even wear Bryann size. Bralettes, they come in one size. There are some clothes that come in one size. They will tell you it's one size. I said it's her size. She'd never wear it.
Everybody to the lounge. Now you get, now your time be this, my time go reach. My time never reach. Use them very well, or use your time now. May you use your time very well, everybody. If you want to make use of the time, use them now, because you will not use it 2 times.
This is Big Brother. Housemates, you have 1 hour before your task presentation.
Big brother.
Big brother, let's go to the main thing. From the, do we know the songs now?
I know the songs.
We know the songs, yeah? Good. What else? What else do we need? We shouldn't even start from carrying this.
See, Bryann, you are tempting yourself. My copy the legit now. My copy the legit now. See, no, my copy the legit now. If you don't come to the lounge now, if you don't come to the lounge now, guy, I swear.
1 hour to wager. We will not participated.
No problem.
Please don't say that. Everybody should.